Okay, so we're going to go over the setup for the software. A few things you're going to want to use here. You're going to choose an accounts file and you're going to set this up. Now here are some instructions here that you can also use as well, but this video tutorial series will help you even more. So let's go ahead, right click, and we're just going to create a new text document. We'll just call it accounts. And in here, we can set up accounts in a few different ways. Email or phone number, comma, and your password here. Now, you can set it up that way, or if you choose to use a proxy with an account, you put a comma, IP, colon, and the port here, supplied by the proxy provider. Or you can use IP, colon, port, colon, user, colon, pass. That's if your IP proxy requires username and password. You can put in as many accounts into this file as you want, one per line, set up in either one of these three formats, and save the file. You will then select the file right here within the software. For newer accounts, I recommend you only post 5 to 10 per account. You're basically going to train Facebook to your posting patterns. Over time, you can increase this number for each account so that it will post more. But we need to train Facebook for your posting patterns. Minimum between posts, I say 30 seconds, so you would type in 30 here. I personally would use 60 or 90 for the maximum, but you can play with these numbers as you wish. The best spinner is going to spin the description for the listing and for replies if you choose to do that. I will go over the smart reply system here after I've gone through the CSV file for the software. So you can open up the CSV file and you can edit it either inside of Excel or your spreadsheet editor or Google Sheets. One thing to note is if you want to check the delimiter on the file, you can right click and open with Notepad. You will see that everything is comma delimited. For your description, if it contains a comma, your description will be wrapped in double quotes. So it would look something like this if there was a comma inside it. That tells it to keep it all within the same cell. So let's go ahead and open this up inside of Excel for now. And let me expand these fields a little bit. So here we've got the description, and if it's multi-line, make sure it's all inside the one column. Your price, without commas, without dollar signs. The path for images for each one of your listings that's going to be made. This needs to be a unique folder for each row with unique images inside it for that row. They are alphanumerical order, so 1 through 10, A through Z for your image names, and it will use them in order and however many you choose to use from that folder when it's making the listing. Whether it's for sale or for rent, this is case sensitive, exactly how it shows inside the Facebook Marketplace area. Whether it's an apartment, house, townhouse, room only, you set that here for property type or rental. Number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, the actual address of the property. Square footage is optional. Date available in this date format. All of these inputs, such as through here, is exact case sensitive to the selections that are available on the Facebook Marketplace. If it's cat friendly or not, all uppercase true or false. Dog friendly or not, uppercase true or false. Once you've got all that set, save your CSV file and select it here within the software. Auto reply settings, which thebestspinner.com will spin a description for you to make a unique description for your listing if you choose to use it, or you can set up spin text directly in your description for the listing and it will spin it as well. If you choose to use the Best Spinner and you want to use it for auto replies, both Marketplace and auto replies or just Marketplace, you can make that selection here. It will only use it if you put your details here for the Best Spinner. Auto reply settings here. Click it And you would check this box if you want to check your inbox messages. And then you would select your reply CSV file, which I will show you the smart reply system that is used by the software here in a moment. If you choose to want to only auto reply, you can check this box here and it won't attempt to make any new listings on your account. It'll just check your inbox for replies. And if you've got a fast or slow internet connection. A slow connection would be anything under 25 megabyte download. This is used to help speed up the posting process when uploading images. So please select this appropriately. The smart reply system, if you're choosing to use it, let's open up that CSV file. Again, this is going to be comma delimited. And say you got a message that says, is this property still available? Well, available is contained in that message, so it's going to hit on this keyword and it goes in order checking, and then it will send a message. This is an example of spin text. It chooses a word or phrase separated by line pipes inside curly brackets to be sent. So this would read, yes, it's available for you to purchase today. Notice how I just chose today here, purchase here, and available here. The software will automatically choose this, or this, this, or this, or this, this, or this. Basically, this allows for making unique replies so it doesn't always reply with the same answer to every question. So available email, yes, my email is whatever your email is, phone, list your phone, website, and you can put as many keywords or phrases here to look for in messages and the response back to it. It will look through these in order. As soon as it reaches one that it hits on, it will send that reply back to the user. I hope you've liked these instructional videos, and if you happen to have any questions, please send us a support ticket and we would be happy to help you. Thank you.